My boy snapped. Yes, he did. Look at this brand new trailer right here. This bad boy is clean. Oh, and he got that Peterbilt right there. Frame for days. That's that kitty cat. It's got the Acer to 6NZ set up in there. You can hear it take braking from miles away. There's a lot of, what's it, A&A stainless stuff on here. This is A&A, this is A&A, that's A&A, that's A&A. Hey, the tank straps, A&A. Probably bumper probably is too, and these are too. That's A&A. I really like that grill piece. It kind of matches my baby. Yeah, man. This thing is just mean. When he pulls off, whew, you hear it. Man, this new trailer, man, that's crazy. Brand new Great Dane. One day I'll be able to write that check. Got my boy over here. 99%.